Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the clip and the wall sensors in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. So here in this vacuum we have all of the sensors. And first, prepare yourself the cloth. It doesn't really have to be microfiber like the same as I do have here. This is a microfiber one. It doesn't have to be like this, you just need to have the cloth prepared, but remember it has to be soft. Or if you do have very oily sensors, I don't know why would you have, but if you do have very oily sensors, use some alcohol. Rinse it with alcohol, but only a little bit. So, once you have it done, you need to now search for the sensors. Here, as you can see, we have these first lighter sensor, which is at the back. Just wipe it here delicately. Here we have the second one, not here, wait a moment, where was that? Here we have the second one, as you can see. And the third one, which is the wall sensor, the first wall sensor, is over here. Now, this should be clean. Now, go to the bottom of your vacuum. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of cool things. Before, of course, cleaning, make sure that you have your robot turned off. So, here, as you can see, we have our clip sensor. This is the first one. Wipe it down carefully. Here we have the second one. This thing over here, wait a moment. Here, this is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. After cleaning all these things, you'll be good to go. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.